Okay, just had a little downpour. He's had me running for cover. Oh, it's the worst times to try to start doing something, you know what I mean? Went out to my truck and it just started dumping. That's how it goes. Let this video play out for a little bit. I got a little bit of memory left and we'll just let it go, see if it comes up again. I'll get some color in there for you. How about that? What's left of it. Rain always ruins all my stuff. Here it comes. All right now. Whoa! That was a good one. A little burst. Thank the moon for the rain. Thank you, moon. Here goes. Do a little burst. I love that. Dump it down, baby. Come on, bring it on. Oh, yeah. Raining like never going to rain again. I want to see the streets flooding. I want to see people in rowboats. Because it's not going to be, this drought won't go away until I see people in rowboats going down the street. Yeah, that's the way I've seen it happen in the past. The droughts never end unless it floods somewhere. Oh, I see blue sky over there. A little bit. Anyways, I think hold on. Yeah, that's good enough. You see what we're up against here. That's my weather share for the 7th of February, 2015. Keep your eyes on the weather patterns, I'm telling you. They'll tell you the truth of the earth. I'm not lying. Alright, have a good day.